We get a lot of samples here at Good eReader. More so than we know what to do with. At the end of each video, we'll give the item away. This is Unboxing ePaper. What is going on, everybody? It's 2023. This has been the craziest year ever so far. Not 2022, 2023. It's only been 21 days into the year so far when we're in the studio shooting this, and so much stuff has been announced, landed, color devices, Kaleido 3's coming out. Anyways, we're in the studio. I see you got something in your hand. It's a smaller box. I hope it's not another door sign or test kit. I hope we're mixing it up this time, which is why you dragged me into here. They figuratively dragged me into the studio and they're like, we gotta shoot this. I'm like, why? Because it's 9 a.m. here in Japan and they got a sample. Hit me with it. And it's a tall one today. All right, you took the label off. Thank you. All right, everybody, this is a sealed Amazon box with a ripped barcode and no label as to not give away what it is. What do we have? Oh, it's sticky. Okay, it's really sticky. Alright. Oh! I don't know what this is. Oh, this thing. Why would... Okay. Hey, guys, look what we got. This is the Oaxis case. I know what this is. I actually do know what this is. We did a video on this. Man, what? 2014 or something? This is the Oaxis case, and it works for the iPhone 7, which is the same shape as the iPhone 8. I don't think any... Does anyone have an iPhone 7 or 8 anymore? No one has those. All right, let's head over to the table and get this done. All right, everybody. Oaxis. After we filmed the intro, I talked to the guys, and yeah, this is pretty old, man. You know what? It's all good. This is for you guys. We hope there is some people out there. There are some people out there that have an iPhone 7, iPhone 8 still. Maybe there's something they gave to their kids or something. They want them to put something on the back. This is really cool. It syncs wirelessly. It adds a shock protective case as well, because it's an actual case as well as it is a screen. And correct me if I'm wrong, everybody, but I do believe you can put an iPhone 8 in here, because I think the 7 is the same as the 8. It just says 7, but I believe the body is the same. Okay, actually, you know what? Kevin just came in. He has an iPhone. I'm not sure which one this is. This is the A1586. We're going to see if it fits, everybody. Oh, it's out of batteries. I think we took this one in on a trade or something happened. I can't remember the circumstances. I mean, we got stuff all over the place here, but we're going to throw that in there, see if it fits. Oh my God, this is so exciting, everybody. Did we find an iPhone 7? Is that a 7? I honestly don't know, man. Mike knows the iPhone variants pretty good. Remember, this is brand new. I do apologize for opening it, but you guys are getting this for free. All right, here it is. So in the box, we'll just do a quick unboxing because it's called Unboxing ePaper. You get the quick start guide. You get a USB charging cable for... Oh yeah, it's a proprietary charging cable. And you get a picking tool. Yeah, it says picking tool. Wait, is that like a guitar pick? Because I know there has been manufacturers in the past that do give you... You think I could open a box after 10 years of doing this? You think I could... Do we have to cut? Oh my God, we actually had to cut. Okay, let's see what's in here. So yeah, you got the picking tool, the quick start guide. We're just going to keep all this completely sealed. We're going to see if this fits inside. I'm not going to take that out just because we want this to... Oh my goodness. Is this going to fit? Oh, that looks a little bit different, guys. No, this is not going to fit. No, it's an iPhone. No, this is a different size. No, I'd be hard pressed to say that's going to fit. Oh, maybe. No, everything's not lining up. All right, well, this doesn't fit. So basically what you do is you put this in there like so, and then on the back of your phone, you're able to actually use this as a second screen. It connects wirelessly with your device. It does various different things, and it's supposed to be a good addition to your device. Now, I must say, it does add a great deal of bulk. In fact, that looks to be about 5, maybe 6 millimeters thick. This is connected to a case, so that is very nice. Obviously, it's It's called the Oaxis case, and it's called the ink case actually. But this does allow you to do some things like reading, and you can put things that you just don't really want to use LCD LED for all the time. You can kind of contract that to the back and be like, you know what, I want to take my eyes off it for a second, I want to rest my eyes, I want to use some ePaper. Now it is a little bit troubling how they sent us this one, and I'm not entirely sure. Oh, and look, it does say 8. I just read that. Oh my gosh, you guys noticed that way before I did. It says 8 on the back, but at least the company that sent it to us says it says 8. So we hope this does help, guys. We hope you guys enjoy this. Please, when you receive this, send us a Facebook, send us a Twitter, send us an Instagram of something, of one of you guys actually reading on this. That would be awesome. We will contact our store to maybe send you a coupon or a gift voucher if you guys send us a little bit of a photo on that. I unfortunately cannot find an iPhone 7 or 8. No one in our studio can, but you know what, guys? This is yours absolutely for free. When it comes to aesthetics, this thing looks really nice. In fact, they say on the back it was designed in Singapore. It has several buttons, both hardware driven and software driven, and it adds individuality and flair to an arguably cookie cutter simple device like an iPhone, so it gets a 4 out of 5. When it comes to use, it doesn't have a mind of its own. In fact, you need to use the phone to transfer various things like the screencast itself, text augmentations, or differences in settings, so it's a little bit over-reliant on the phone itself, so it gets a 3 out of 5. For cost, it's not going to necessarily break the bank at only $30, but to be completely honest, this is a much older unit for a much older device, so it really doesn't have a whole lot of true value in the year 2023, so we're split between saying it's good for the old stuff and bad for the new stuff, so it gets a 3 out of 5. Overall, for $30, if you had an older iPhone 7 or 8 that you wanted to change into an ebook reader and showcase a little bit of your own personal flair, this is a viable choice of product. Otherwise, I would probably say steer clear, as this serves literally no purpose for newer things and cannot be attached to anything other than its intended phone, but it is still fun. As per usual, guys, thank you so much for supporting this little segment. It's honestly, it started off as this little pet project between me and Miki, and then Mike joined in. He's like, yeah, let's get this going. Let's do some more episodes. We get enough stuff. We get enough weird little oddities that we can open these up and unbox them and show you guys what they're all about. So, as always, the first 50 comments, if you want in, say I want in, or just say whatever, you know. If you just say it or say hi, say I don't want it. Either way, the first 50 comments are going to be getting that. I keep pointing to it. And at the end of, I don't know, a day or so, we'll tally everything up. We'll get our guys in the back end to be like, okay, this is real, this guy's not, this is a bot, this is one that's like, click my image here for naughty whatever, and we don't like any of that. We want people to actually get these things, which is why we unbox them, which is why we give them away to you. We got lots of stuff going on in 2023. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a great year for e-ink. Thank you guys so much, and see you next time.